Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ijoma and here we have just positive vibes. Yes, so today we're going to be making jollof rice. So if you've heard about Nigerian jollof rice and you want to make this, go ahead and watch this video to the end. So we're going to start by blending our pepper, onions, bell peppers, tomato mix. Now pour in your oil into the pot, add your curry powder, tomato paste, ginger, garlic, whatever you're using. I told you guys in my previous videos that I get my spices from Lidl or Aldi. Now we're going to go ahead and pour in our blended tomato mix. Yes, so when you pour that in, make sure you season it properly because Nigerian jollof kicks because of the depth of flavor that it carries. So now you're going to go in and put your paprika, no aromas, garlic, and some salt. Yes, pop that in. If you also have your fresh spices, you can go ahead and add that. And I added my no seasoning cubes. You can use any seasoning cubes or seasoning powder of your choice. Now you're going to go ahead and cover that and allow that to fry. Can you see that? You turn that around, allow it to fry for some minutes so that the tomato paste or the tomato mix that you made doesn't taste sour again. You fry at that sour taste. Yes, let's do that. After I allowed mine to cook for 10 minutes, now I'm going ahead to add my washed rice. Yes, you can parboil your rice or you can soak it in hot water and wash it, whatever works for you. Now go ahead and mix that in, like turn it together. Mix it in properly. Yes, you see that color that it's giving already. See that color? It's coming up, it's popping up already. So let's do that. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our meat stock. You can use any meat of your choice. It could be beef, chicken, but today I was cooking with gizzard, so I went ahead and poured in my meat stock. So feel free to use whatever meat stock you have because this is very, very vital for your jollof rice to have that banging taste. Now add some water for it to cook with and cover it, stir it together. And here you can test for salt, test for pepper, the heat that you want, adjust to your taste, test it properly. I'm adding a little bit of nor because I feel it lacks, it still needs a little bit of salt. Adjust it with paprika. Then what is an Igbo girl without crayfish? Please, for people that say crayfish is not going to jollof rice, have you tried it? Try it, please. Please try it first. Then we're going to go ahead and cover that and allow that to boil. Then while it's boiling, because you want it to have a bit of that smokiness, just lift it up the way I'm doing so that the water gets down to the bottom of the pot and it doesn't burn so much. Yes, that is a pro tip. Spread it across and then cover it for it to cook. And yes, look at that jollof rice. And there's nothing, I love my jollof rice, coming out in grains. Can you see that color? Vibrant, is popping and then because I want it to be coming out in singles, I don't want it to be like mushy and mashed up together. And for flavor, I go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter and I mix that together and I cover it up for a minute and turn off my cooker. So yes, my jollof is ready. What do you think about this recipe? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till my next one. Bye.